Where's Eden?
He's over there.
Let's carry him. Okay, go. Go, go, go.
I wanted to say, oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. That's what you get for cutting your shoelaces up. That's what you get. Kiki! Kiki! Come push me! Oh, your sister's such a crybaby. She cried. Eden, she's over there crying. Let's go help her. She's so sad. She's lonely. Kiki! We're coming! Coming to get you! Ah! It's raining. Say hi, family.
Hi, Trench family. Hi.
Not hi, Trench family. You gotta say hi, our family. We need a YouTube family name.
I got put my head.
It's starting to rain really hard, guys. Your head is in there.
Yeah.
Keyonna! Alright, come on, let's make a run for the car. Keyonna, come on! Kiki, come on, run to the car! Come on! Keyonna, hurry! Come on, it's raining! Hurry, we're gonna get sick! Keyonna, come on! Hurry! Oh my gosh! Come on! Stop! Get back here! You guys, we have to go! You guys, we have to go! We're gonna be soaked! Alright, listen! Oh my god, it hurts to laugh. Come on! Please! What it's like having toddlers. This isn't even all the way covered. Come on! We'll try.